Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make your WordPress blog completely private. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your internet browser and going to the WordPress website. Once logged in, your dashboard appears and your next step is to manage your posts. Click on the Posts section at the left side to view everything you've published or drafted. Scroll through and find the post you want to make private. When you locate it, click the Quick Edit option, which lets you make simple updates without opening the full editor. In Quick Edit, you'll see the visibility settings where you can choose between two privacy options. You can type a password if you want only people with that password to view the post, or simply check the private box to hide the post from the public entirely, so only you or authorized logged-in users can see it. After choosing the privacy method that suits your needs, click the Update button to save your changes. The new settings apply instantly, making your post either password protected or completely private, and that's it. So that is how you can make your WordPress blog completely private. So that's all for this video. Thanks.